the kids card is part of healing my own child. I was doing the kids card for a year. I drew them for a year as well, and I was in therapy. Meanwhile, I did the cards because I wanted to do cards that are very pure and that are not coming from my hurtness or first of all, it's not coming for, how I want my kids, because I could write affirmations like, I love vegetables and fruits, but I didn't want it to write affirmations like that. I wanted to write affirmations that I missed when I was a child. What I really think that it has shaped my life if I could get these affirmations.